How to fix monitor going black for a second. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Graphics drivers are software components that enable the operating system to communicate with the graphics hardware. Over time, manufacturers release updates to these drivers to resolve potential issues or improve performance. You could try using Device Manager to update your drivers. If that didn't work, Fix 2. Adjust resolution settings. Mismatched resolution can cause monitor blackouts. Setting the correct resolution can ensure compatibility between your monitor and computer. Click on the drop-down menu and pick the recommended option. Click Apply and then keep changes. If issues persist, try other resolutions till one works optimally. Prevent the computer from turning off the monitor as a power-saving measure. Fix 4. Test with another device.